Crollo, and I'm bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Now, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you're notified when I make a new upload, because it starts to look like Bitcoin is getting ready step by step to break out. And there are many things that I want to mention in terms of how I'm going to be looking at Bitcoin right now. What am I looking for, and what is going to be my plan in the days and weeks to come. So all of that in this video, and make sure to watch it till the end. And by the way, if you're still not registered for my Crollo Trading Show for a chance to win a 2-week trip to Dubai in February, then please go to CrolloTradingShow.com and register your free participation, all expenses paid, 2 weeks in Dubai. All right, let's just jump right into the price action right here. So as you might remember from yesterday's video, and if you haven't watched it, please watch it right now before watching this one. I did not remove my drawings from yesterday. As you might remember, I actually have taken a long trade of this false break right here of $40,500, and this has been my stop, and this has been something else. I don't remember what that was. So this was my stop, this was my entry, and this was my target right here at 42K, and my target was hit spot on. Yes. So please like the video and show me some support for these videos that are coming out, because my predictions are simply spot on. So you can call me Mr. Spot On, and let me know down in the comments if you've taken this trade together with me or not, because this has been just an incredible, absolutely beautiful trade that I showed you right as it was happening right there in my screen. So please do let me know down in the comments if you do take these trades and how they work out for you, because my predictions are always spot on. And by the way, if you want to be trading just like this, then please use my Bybit link down in the description. I personally use Bybit for trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and with my link, only with my link, you will get a $4,100 in free bonuses after registration. So after watching this video, go down to the description, use my Bybit link and open an account with Bybit, and get an amazing bonus and be ready to trade just like this. So, and basically the take profit was taken so fast, I didn't even expect it to be taken so incredibly fast. But that's what happened, and actually afterwards it came down just as fast right here as well, but I wasn't, it was already quite late at night in Dubai, so I actually didn't take it. But I guess I would not be able to take it unless I would have been trading, you know, a clear bounce structure, which I usually prefer false breaks. So yeah, and then also we consolidated for a while, and there has been an interesting flag, if you just mark it like this, which we broke out of right now in the direction of 42K. And now we are attempting to actually break 42,000 in this area right here, which again, if you really wanted to trade this formation and, you know, super short-term trade, you could. But again, the target would be around maybe 42.5, and there is this super strong key market level on the way here. So this kind of a trade, I would really keep my fingers away. And yeah, just in general, if you take a look at this area, this is you know, an example of huge volatility, and we also had a lot of volume right here. You can see a lot of volume, and if we go to the 1-hour chart, then you'll see a spike in volume here as well. Here, that's where the volume was. That's absolutely incredible, a huge spike in volume. And certainly it's very important to note two fundamental factors here, because it's not only technical analysis, it certainly is fundamentals. And you know, a lot of people are saying that, oh, Thomas, but there is no connection between S&P 500, the United States Stock Exchange, and Bitcoin. But well, oh well, there is. And if you take a look at yesterday, and what happened was Goldman Sachs sent in a lot of fear into people and institutions yesterday on Monday, saying that, you know, talking about this incredible huge spike in interest rates from Fed that is coming, and you know, because of it, S&P 500 yesterday opened with a huge drop, and Bitcoin suffered from it again as well. But again, it's a very good sign that it retraced so fast back above 40K and 41K now. now is at 42K. But again, this has had a lot to do with S&P 500, and because of Goldman Sachs, sending in so much fear into the market of talking about the Fed increasing the rates. So here is an incredible example. And also yesterday, China finally banned the rest of the miners, and actually on a legal basis, in the legal terms, actually banned mining as an industry altogether. So some miners are still working illegally in China, but that's coming down to zero as well. So that's also some kind of a negative news. But most importantly, Goldman Sachs and the interest rates and the scarcity of this whole situation with the interest rates, and had a direct effect on Bitcoin. So yeah, there is a lot of correlation here. However, if you go to a daily chart, you're not gonna really see that very much. I mean, some volume here, sure. I mean, it's more than before, but I wouldn't necessarily say that it's anything, unbelievably huge anyway. So in a short-term perspective, there was some volume, but if you look at the daily chart, then not necessarily. So that's something that you have to always keep in mind as well. And let's remove volume and see what this looks like on the daily chart. As you can see, it looks like, just a spike down, and the market retraced really fast. So this, guys and girls, this is what I want to show you here. You have to watch the market now, because we might be at the bottom. Yesterday's volume and yesterday's way how we bought back the price, so to speak, and how everything retraced just almost instantaneously with such an explosive move right here, which actually produced me an amazing few $1,000 profit in just 2 hours of work, which was amazing. So this is telling me that the price is not very reluctant to go below $40,000 right here. So this is the time for you to start watching the market to see if this really is going to be the bottom, because I think this might become the bottom. A lot of people are saying, that's it, we are in the bear market right now on the daily chart, and especially if we look at the weekly chart, we are definitely in the bear market when it comes to the daily chart, but the bear market always ends at some point, right? That when it comes to the bear market in the weekly, certainly if we use the EMA ribbon, then we could certainly say that we closed below this area, the last ribbon. Sure, this is a bearish sign. And we also have gone to the previous low right here. We touched it, this area here, for sure, also a bearish sign. But as you might remember, this particular situation, and this is starting to look awfully like this one right here. So this starts to look like might be the bottom actually right now. But does it mean that you have to open a long trade with all of your money? Not really. Now I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm gonna be doing. Let me remove the EMA ribbon. And as for me, we are still in this channel in between 42.5 and 4,500. So I really want to see, number one, I want to see the price get out of this channel and actually stabilize above it. Again, if you want to find some kind of a true break structure of this level and trade it, that's fine. That's up to you. That's not something that I'm going to be doing. As of right now, I made my profits on this move down. I made an amazing profit with this trade right here. So I'm going to be just sitting back, enjoying my cup of coffee. I'm going to be watching the market until I'm going to see an amazing structure. So, and for this time being, I really want to see what is going to happen, because again, we had a lot of power, but we have still slowed down right here at 42,500. So if we're gonna go to right here, take a look at the on-chain activity and the inflow and outflow volume in the last 24 hours, it actually has gone up significantly. So there is a lot of movement happening, and that's a very good sign. So that's where the volume comes from as well. And right now is just the question we have to confirm that this is the bottom. And for that to happen, number one, the smallest first confirmation would actually be the breakout out of this channel right here, as I just mentioned. And also if we want to confirm it on the weekly chart, which is something that we really want to see if we're gonna be taking a really huge position on Bitcoin, then let's move back to the weekly chart. And for that to happen, really want to see the price go above either the first shoulder and the second shoulder, which is around this area here, which would be 52,000. So if we see something like this, this would be the strongest confirmation possible. This would be the same as entering at 42K around here, just like this. So this would be the entry, and then there will be a retest. There was a retest, and then off we go to the all-time high. I'm not saying that the history is going to repeat itself to the point, but this is something that we're going to be all looking out for sure, and it's going to be the passing of 52,000. Definitely is going to be that huge confirmation as well. But at this time, there definitely is going to be an opportunity to trade Bitcoin in a short-term perspective and find a place to long Bitcoin. But right now I'm just waiting to see a good structure that I'm looking for, because right now it seems like we're getting rejected here a little bit, and if it happens, we can actually see some kind of a price activity here in this channel yet again, or maybe we're gonna start actually squeezing it nicely, and that's when I'm gonna long it from here, you know, because this is gonna look much better than this bunch of nonsense here. I really love these beautiful and clean structures. And also we could retest the level here and actually break lower. I don't know, anything can happen. That's why I said hold your horses. But right now, in terms of the price action and how everything is looking and the way how much power there was in this rejection, we could be at the bottom. But let's just see what the price tells us and use simple methods of confirmations to actually find the next direction and trade in a smart way. And remember, as I said before, I'm trading using Bybit. I personally enjoy Bybit, and the platform is very smooth, and also the liquidity is really good, and you get a bonus of $4,100 for free using my link down in the description. So go after this video, use my link, open an account, send in the money, get the big bonus, incredible bonus, and let's get ready for the next bull cycle. Right, thank you for watching. And please share this video with as many people as you can. I'm making these for the people, for you guys. Let's make our community bigger. Share it with your friends and family members and colleagues, etc. And anybody who is into Bitcoin. And please give me a like. That's all that's all that I'm asking. Please give that like button. Hit that like button. Let's get to 1,000 likes. Please, guys, let's do it. And thank you very much in advance. I know that you've done it, so thank you very much. Right, peace and love, Tom Scrollo, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!